Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Nandito kami!
Jalan-jalan kami ngayon,
Kami
guys.
mga babaeng old Singapore.
Ayan.
Old ka naman dyan.
Original from Singapore.
Hi guys!
Maka-old ka naman.
Maka-old. Kamusta na kayo dyan? Mga old G's daw kami.
Oldies ng
Oldies daw,
Singapore.
hindi old G's. Oldies.
Oldies.
So, correct.
Happy Sunday guys. Kaya
Sunday.
yan, happy lang. Banding-banding time.
Church. After kumain kami ng lunch. And
Sexy
after
na.
lunch,
Ayaw mo yan, oh.
nag-coffee kami.
O, diba?
O, diba? Okay na yun.
Enjoy lang.
Enjoy lang.
Life is too
Walang
short.
marites, marites.
No stress, no marites.
Bakit? Walang maritisan.
Correct. That's not good.
Ay, yan, nagpayong na yung isa dyan.
Mainit eh.
Yan lang ang buhay dito.
Wala sa mga viewers.
Like and share, please.
Like and share. Subscribe. Bye guys.
Bye!
See you in next vlog.
Uy, nag-earn. Hi guys. Please like and share. Dito kami ngayon sa Tampines guys. Gala-gala lang. After church. Diyan yung mga nagseseksihang mga friends. Dito yung train. Ayan. Tikat, bibidyo ko sila. Say hi naman dyan, guys. Yan ngayon, no? Train yan eh. Yung train dyan. Yan. Hi, Weng!
Hi guys.
Bakit si Weng lang?
Hi, two girls. Next second. Girls. 3 girls.
Hindi kami tomboy ah. Kasi tom na girls pa.
Tom.
So tomboy and girls.
Oh, tomboy.
Tom girls.
Barangay tomboy yan. Sexy. Sexy.
Contestant number 1. Contestant number 2. Contestant
Number 3.
Yay!
Yay! Ako lang yung taga-video eh. Hindi na kaya. Hindi na kaya.
Yung ano, yan po, may slow motion yung phone ko dati.
Sabi